Students, let us continue with the question number 6 of chapter PMI. Our question is 1 into 2 plus 2 into 3 plus 3 into 4 plus so on plus n into n plus 1. This is equal to n into n plus 1 into n plus 2 upon 3, where n belongs to natural number. So let us come with the solution. I have told you students, step number 1, where n is equal to 1 means p of 1 here, p of 1 means the principal value is 1 such that 1 into 2, this is equal to, we will put this 1 here, n is equal to 1 here in the right hand side. So it will come as 1 into 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 2 upon 3. So this is 2 is equal to, here 1 plus 1 is 2 into 3 by 3. And students, what you will get? You will get that 2 as equal to 2, left hand side that is equal to right hand side. Therefore, what we can say that P of n is true for n is equal to 1. This is the step number 1, students. Come with step number 2. We have to prove that. Now, what we are doing here, we are taking n as equal to k. So, P of k is true for n is equal to k. We have to let it. We can write here, let P of k is true for n is equal to k. This implies that, what you will say, 1 into 2, 2 into 3, 3 into 4, plus so on, plus here at the place of n we will write k into k plus 1. This is equal to k into k plus 1 into k plus 2 upon 3. This is your second step. Come with the third step. Step number 3. Here n is equal to k plus 1. If we have to prove that if P of k is true for n is equal to k, we have to prove it now that n is equal to k plus 1 is also true. For that, what we are doing, students, we will write here P of k plus 1 such that 1 into 2, 2 into 3, 3 into 4 and so on plus into, here as it is k into k plus 1, but now we will make it as k plus 1 and it will come as k plus 2. Because while we will make k as k plus 1, it will come as k plus 1. K is now k plus 1, so it will come as k plus 2. This is equal to this k will come as k plus 1 into k plus 2 into k plus 3 upon 3 then, students. Now here what we are doing, up to here, earlier I have told you, we use the step number 2 from where we will put this value here and by solving them we will get whatever the result we will get, that will come as equal to right hand side then, students. So by taking the left hand side, its value is, you see that k into k plus 1, k into k plus 1 into k plus 2 upon 3 plus k plus 1 into k plus 2. Now I will solve it, and student, remember it will come equal to this right hand side. So then we can say the left hand side that will come as equal to right hand side. So we will solve it. So what I am doing here, I am taking this as common, but that is k plus 1 into k plus 2 as common and here I have now k upon 3 plus 1. So student, it will come as k plus 1 into k plus 2 into k plus 3 upon 3. And if you will see that this is your left hand side, after solving you will get it as this one, and this is your right hand side, students. So what we can say? We can say that left hand side is equal to right hand side. Therefore, P of k plus 1 is true for n as equal to k plus 1. So this is the solution, students, that how we have to prove the third step. By the third step, the left hand side will also come as equal to right hand side. So let us come with the next question. If you will see that question number 7 is same, students, as like this question number 6. So let us come with question number 8. Again in the question number 8, what we are doing, here is the question number 8. 1 into 2 plus 2 into 2, its power is 2, plus 3 into 2, its power is 2, plus so on, n into 2, its power is n. This is equal to n minus 1, and here it is 2, its power is n plus 1 plus 2. So let us check the question once again. 1 into 2 plus 2 into 2 its square plus 3 into 2 its square plus n into 2 its power is n, that is equal to n minus 1, 2 its power is n plus 1 plus 2. So let us solve this question. So here is the solution. Once again, students, let us come with step number 1, that is n as equal to 1. So we can say that its principal value for 1 such that 1 into 2, this is equal to 1 minus 1, its into 2, its power is 1 plus 1 plus 2. 2, if you will see 1 minus 1 is 0, it will come as equal to 0, so 2 will come as equal to 2. Therefore, this left hand side will come as equal to right hand side. Or therefore, we can say that P of n is true for n as equal to 1 then, students. This is the step number 1. Come with step number 2. Put n as equal to k. So P of k such that 1 into 2 plus 2 into 2 its square plus 3 into 2 its power is 2 plus so on, k into 2 its power is k. This is equal to k minus 1 into 2 its power is k plus 1 plus 2. At the place of n, everywhere we will write k then, students. Let us come with step number 3. N, that is equal to k plus 1. So P of k plus 1, what will come as 1 into 2 into 2, 2 its power is 2 plus 3 into 2 its power is 2 and so on, plus k into 2 its power is k plus k plus 1, 2 its power is k plus 1. Now here, students, we are making this k as k plus 1, so it will come as k only into 2, its power is, this k is now k plus 1, so it will come as k plus 2 plus 2. This is our right hand side. Now we have to solve this left hand side, and while we will solve this left hand side, that will come as equal to this right hand side. So let us come with this left hand side. In the left hand side, students, up to here, already in the step number 2 we have this value. So we will put this value from here. This is equal to k minus 1 to its power is k plus 1 plus 2 plus k plus 1 to its power is k plus 1. Right? Now, one thing you will check that here 2 its power is k plus 1, here is also 2 its power is k plus 1. So we can take this 2 its power is k plus 1 as common. So it will come as k minus 1 plus k plus 1. Its whole power is, we will take 2 outside, that is 2 its power is k plus 1 plus 2. And students, minus 1 and 1 they will cancel out, it will come as equal to 2k into 2 its power is k plus 1 plus 2. So let us see. Here we will solve it once again, and you will see students, left hand side will come as equal to right hand side. From there, what we can say, again I am going to write this step here, 2k to its power is k plus 1 plus 2. Here is 2 to its power is 1. You know the bases are same, power will be added, so it will come as k into 2 its power is k plus 2 plus 2. And student, if you will see, this is your left hand side, this is your right hand side. So you can say that this left hand side that is equal to right hand side again now. So therefore P of k plus 1 is true for n that is equal to k plus 1. So this is the solution of question number 8, students.